Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the object in object mode and confirming its origin and parenting are correct. This avoids surprises once scaled. Next, press S and drag for a quick uniform scale or type a number to set an exact factor. Once done, open the right-hand end panel and check item dimensions to fine-tune exact size values. These fields show final measurements independently of object transforms, so make adjustments there if you need precise results. Now you must apply the scale so Blender treats the new size as the object's baseline. Press Ctrl+A and choose Scale to bake the transform into the mesh. This resets object scale to 1, 0 while preserving the visual size. Apply scale because modifiers, physics sims, and UVs rely on object scale being 1 to behave predictably. If you used non-uniform scaling, take an extra moment to check normals and modifier axes before you apply. Finish by verifying all downstream systems. Inspect modifiers, UVs, particle systems, and physics after applying scale to ensure nothing shifted. If shading looks off, go into edit mode and recalculate normals to fix flipped faces. Make sure no parent objects or constraints are still driving scale. If they are, clear or apply those transforms too. If something breaks, duplicate the object and apply scale on the copy so you can compare states and revert quickly. This is the fastest troubleshooting tip to recover from unexpected changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.